Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, we actually just kept on pushing down. I've been saying for a couple of days it seems likely that it would go up and break structure before it really went down. But we do have to realize that this could be the end of a correction, and if it is, it will go down and take out this low right here before we see like a big move up. If it breaks below this 78% Fibonacci retracement, then it probably is going to go down and take out this low. If that 78% Fibonacci holds on like the 1 hour time frame, and you see like that double bottom break of structure to the upside, that's what will tell me that it's time to stop looking for shorts and time to start looking for longs again. Because at that point, it's probably going to go up and grab that liquidity that I've been talking about the last couple of days. But no double bottom break of structure means no reason to look for longs. So if it just keeps on pushing, then just keep on enjoying the lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and keep on trading with the trend. So, otherwise, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.